Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I'll be sharing a recipe for Escovitch shrimp. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off by making our Escovitch pickle. Here I have some bell peppers, carrots, scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using some garlic, onions, some salt, sugar, pimento berries, and some white distilled vinegar. So here to my small saucepan, I will now add my water and distilled vinegar. I like to go 1 part each, just to cut the acidity from the vinegar. If you want to use all vinegar, you can go right ahead. Then I added my salt, sugar, pimento, and allow this to come up to a boil. While that is boiling, I like to go ahead and place my veggies into a mason jar, which we will store it in. Now, if you want to speed up the process, you can actually cook your vegetables first. Saute them a bit for about 2 minutes or so, and then we will come in with the liquid. Once you add that in, you want to push it down some, and you will let this cool down before closing the jar. What will happen? You will see it wilts because the hot water will wilt the vegetables, and it will be perfect in there. Once it cools down, you want to cover it and allow it to sit. You want to do this a few days ahead of time so that it can set and be absolutely amazing once you're ready to use it. Now let's prepare some fried shrimp. Here I have some large shrimp that's been washed and deveined. And here is my breading. I'll be using some cornstarch, flour, garlic and onion powder, some seasoned salt, Old Bay, shrimp bouillon and black pepper. Here I have some fresh green seasoning, 1 egg. And for the other seasoning, I have shrimp bouillon, seasoned salt, some Old Bay and black pepper. We will add 1 tablespoon of that green seasoning, then go in with the rest of the dry seasoning and the egg. Mix everything well to combine and set aside. Next, you want to combine all the seasonings with the flour and then immediately start breading your shrimp, because shrimp don't take a long time to marinate. It almost marinates right away, so we can do this right away. So once we bread our shrimp, we'll head over to the oil and drop them in, and it's basically done, guys. Quick, easy and simple. So here you want your oil to be on high because shrimp don't take a long time to cook. 2 to 3 minutes and it's all done. So you want this to be super high heat so that they can brown up really quick. Once they're nice and golden brown, you want to remove them and carry on with the same process until you're all done. Look how gorgeous they look, guys. I can't wait to devour this. And here you have it, my version of Escovitch shrimp. I did enjoy this with some festivals. If you want to see the festivals recipe, it will be linked in my description box. So give this recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. And as always, mwah, enjoy.